Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video I will tell you how to get which mixed race filter on Instagram. So for this you need to search for this user. I have added the username in my video description. So you can open this user, and the third option you can see this emoji one. Just click on this one, and after this my internet is down, yeah. So now you can scroll down and you can see here which my mixed race. So just click on this one. So you can see, if you want to save this filter you can click on this one. This filter will be saved to your Instagram filter list, or you can click on try it. So we just need to press on this one. So here you can see this is what I got. So in this way you can use this filter and you can post it in your Instagram stories. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.